Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretobeCreative, and I am here with my monthly submission for the Stuffy Collab, which is hosted by Poetspice. So check out her channel, and all the other collaborators are in the link below. What we are tasked with is to make a purse, a box, or bag, and it can be any size, die, punches, handmade, however you want to make it, as long as it can be stuffed, it can be filled with something. So I really did a quick one. I used this one I got from Tuesday morning, that's long ago, and this is the large bakery die box. You can use your long plates or run it through both ways to get it done, because you can see how big it is. You need to cut out two, of course. And then I used an old paper pad, which is, sorry, I should have had the paper pad. This is an old paper pad that I had that was on clearance, and it's taking me away. And so what I did is I also used this Fiskars thick punch with the onesie, this Teresa Collins Fiskars Love Punch, and then this Fiskars Bow Punch. Made it real quick and simple. I made two of the boxes out of the paper, and I decorated them very simple. Didn't have much time to do my decorations, but I still make it. But you have plenty of space, and I kind of like the simplicity of it. But anyway, you see how deep that is. So you can put a lot of things inside of here. I'm just throwing something in here quick, you know. And so you can put, and bam. So as you can see, it can be stuffed. This is made out of decorative paper. This is not even made out of cardstock. But if it had, yeah, heavyweight cardstock, this would be even firmer. But it's still nice and durable. And so you have all that you can fit inside of there. And so those are the two quick boxes that I made for my project submission. Again, feel free to make this and to decorate them any kind of way you want. You can cut out a die right here and have a window in it. You can hang tags from it right here. You can hang ribbon to make it more decorative as well. So, but this is a nice size die to fill with a lot of goodies. And so, nice little box that you can, especially if you have a taller project that you want to put in here. Because a lot of the boxes that we have are smaller, so this is a nice size that you can actually put something of significance in, and nice width as well. So, like I said, I just showed you this very simple, plain, but cute. I love the little onesie with the bow on it, and could do so much more. So feel free to pick up this die and try it out, and to be creative with it, and check out the lovely collaborators. And remember, I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.